people don't understand the true potential of what they're holding XRP. In fact, it has been made clear just today, in my personal opinion, that not only people on crypto Twitter are talking about, I want to buy XRP today, sell tomorrow once it gets to $1, and make a ton of money and dip. That's it. Their goal is to make some quick profits, whether large, small, as long as they make some sort of profit, they are out. And to be honest with you, my personal opinion is the complete different. In fact, when I bought into XRP, I didn't buy into it so I can make $1,000 or $10,000. That's not my vision for XRP. It is way above that because I believe in the technology. And if you believe in the technology, you're not in it for the thousands. You're in it for the millions. And that is the vision that I see going forward of XRP. You know, you go on Twitter and you hop on and you're reading all these people talking about, I want XRP to go to $5. I want XRP to go to $10. And it's true. You know, looking at XRP, it's only 46 cents approximately, so making it go to, you know, $1 or $5 or $10, it's good. But if you truly believe in the technology, you'll understand that the technology that the XRP ledger actually offers is way above that of any typical currency. It is way above the $5, $10 range, and that is why even when I go ahead and see people on Twitter talking about $100,000 in XRP, $1 million in XRP, I know it sounds like, oh my God, it's never going to happen. But truly, if you look at it, you know, 10, 20 years down the line, I think that it is a possibility. Now, this is why. Because looking at it in the past, when we look at Bitcoin, for example, that is currently at 27,000, it hit an all-time high of 60,000. Just 10 years ago, it was worth nothing. It was in the pennies as well. And now look at it, 60,000. Every single year that passes by, we see, you know, investors come on and these very major news influencers come on and say, Bitcoin's going to zero, Bitcoin's going to zero. Has Bitcoin went to zero actually? No. In fact, just COVID, when COVID hit, so we're talking only 2 years ago or 3 years ago, Bitcoin hit a low of $3,000 and then it pumped back up and made an even bigger all-time high to $68,000. So it's typical to see dumps, it's typical to see price crashes. This is something that is normal. But all you have to do is understand that what you're buying into is bigger than just a buy and sell type thing. If you're into a meme coin that doesn't actually have any technology, doesn't offer a use case, yes, I'd be looking to make some quick profits. I'll give you an example. Shiba Inu is a coin that I would personally consider a meme coin. And not only that, you have things like the Pep coin, which just recently rocketed, made millionaires. You know, Dogecoin would still be a meme coin. I would consider a meme coin. So it made people millionaires. Those are the coins you go into for quick today, tomorrow. I want to make some money. I want to make, you know, $10,000, $20,000. You buy some, you hold for like a couple days, a week, a month, and then you're out. Those are the coins that I am truly talking about when I'm talking about quick profits. When I'm talking about technology, in fact, revolutionary technology that's going to influence the globe, I'm not looking at something that's going to be in existence for only a year or 2 years, because a lot of these coins are pump and dump scams, or even if they're not pump and dump scams, they're not going to last very long. There's going to be, you know, some that last 2 years, 3 years. I think the cap for all the meme coins are going to be 5 years, and that's it. They are dead. There's going to be nobody that even looks at them. The coins that are going to really last are the coins that we look at today and envision and have technology for the future. Things like the XRP ledger. Cardano is one of the big ones as well. Now, of course, we'll talk about Cardano in another video, but Cardano is another cryptocurrency that I see potential in, that I think one day it could actually hit, you know, highs, and it could actually make multi-millionaires from a slim holding. Now, of course, the technology is what I look at. I don't look at profits. I don't look at how much it costs. I don't look at market cap, because everybody keeps talking about, well, the market cap could never happen. The market cap could never happen only because Bitcoin's market cap is so small in comparison to the global economic impact and the global economic wealth. It is a slim portion. Look at the amount of debt the United States has alone. A Bitcoin were to have that much market cap, imagine the price of it. It would be in the millions. So yeah, generally market cap is really irrelevant. Again, like I said, XRP, or in fact the entire crypto market, is so small compared to the vast majority of other industries. Like looking just at YouTube, for example, when we're talking about the biggest crypto YouTuber being BitBoy, and BitBoy only having, you know, 1.5 million subscribers, or in the, I know he's in the 1 million, I'm not exactly sure where, but he's in the million. That is so small. Look at, you know, other industries. Look at, for example, you know, some people that are in the finance industries with, you know, 50, 60 million subscribers. Look at generalized industries like, you know, PewDiePie content, vlogging content, hundreds of millions of subscribers. And so when we go ahead and talk about crypto and we talk about, oh, there's only, you know, 1, 2 million people invested in crypto, that's, you know, huge. Why, you know, how can the market cap ever skyrocket? Well, there's only 1 million people. It's nothing. 1 million people is absolutely nothing. In fact, there's countries across the globe, for example, let's talk about the United States alone has over 330 million people living in the United States of America. So we are a slim minority. We're like this small. We're like a droplet in the ocean, and we're talking about crypto. And look at how good crypto is doing in comparison to some of these industries that have, hundreds of millions of viewerships, hundreds of millions of people in it. Look at the stock market. The stock market is a global market. Imagine the stock market being somewhat relevant, crypto at least being somewhat relevant to the stock market, where there is direct impacts. So if crypto crashes, stock crash with it. And if stock crash, crypto crash with it. So there are direct impacts between crypto and a bunch of these, industries and a bunch of these companies within the financial industry, yet crypto is a droplet in the ocean. So the idea that I'm trying to make here, guys, and I'm going to try and summarize it because I don't want this video to be too long, is yes, it is possible that we're going to have to wait 5 years, 10 years for, these crazy numbers, $10, $20, $30,000 per XRP or per whatever crypto you want. Yes, there is going to be money in crypto. I envision it. I see it. I work in the financial industry and it's happening. Crypto is taking over a lot of the financial industry. It is taking over a lot of the financial industry. And a lot of the companies that are going to do well are companies like Ripple that use the blockchain and use crypto, yet offer that in-person financial feel, which banks are actually looking for. Banks want something, a centralized company that uses this new technology so that they can refer back to. So that if something goes wrong at my bank, we can talk to Ripple because Ripple's the one in charge. They want that. They don't want decentralization. Understand that banks don't want decentralization. They want the technology, but they don't want decentralization. They would never accept crypto alone if there was no entity to go back to. Even the federal government would not accept crypto alone if there's no entity to go back to. And so this is why Ripple offers that. They offer the technology and they offer the centralization, which some sort of aspect is someone you can refer back to if you have an issue, if you have a problem. And so this is why I believe, yes, maybe we don't see XRP hit those major numbers right now. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, maybe not in a month, a year, 2 years, but definitely in 5 to 10 years, I think it will happen. Keep in mind, this is not financial or legal advice. If you guys did enjoy this video, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Alright, now right before we go ahead and end off this video, I do want to thank you guys for watching it. And of course, make sure you guys do go ahead and actually follow me on Twitter, as I'm always posting all the latest news there first, at Crypto Geek News. Links will be all in the description below. As well as go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well. Again, social media links down below in the description. Subscribe to the channel with your post notifications on. Share your thoughts on the video, because I'll be reading and responding to every one of your comments. Do you guys feel like people truly know the real value of XRP, or are they trying to get in for the quick profits like I spoke about in the previous clip? Of course, I'll be reading it like I said. Share this video to your friends and family, and let's get the word out. That being said, peace.